My friend Mary recently had her heart broken by a man she loved. He exited her apartment and she fell into bed crying her eyes out. She had always been a little bit insecure when it came to her relationships. She didn't know what she did wrong, but she was determined to get him back. She spent hours online watching YouTube videos and reading articles about how to get him back. She tried texting him, making him jealous, posting on social media, and showing up at places he goes out. But no matter what she tried, she just couldn't seem to shake her insecurity and desperation. He could smell it. This led to her failure and pushed her ex even further away. He moved on and started dating someone new. She was left alone and heartbroken once again. This is when she realized that instead of focusing on him, she should focus on herself using the no contact empowerment strategy. She was determined to get rid of her insecurities and neediness. She would start her day by asking herself the same question again and again. What will make me happy today that has nothing to do with my ex? Every day, she was growing as a person. After some time, she was walking home from her yoga class, and there he was, right in front of her. Her ex standing in the street. It felt like knives in her stomach, because this was the first time seeing him after a while. She took a deep breath and continued walking with her newfound positivity and confidence. They started talking. He could see the change in her. She wasn't needy or desperate anymore. She was confident and happy. He eventually realized that he made a big mistake by leaving her. His rebound wasn't as good as their relationship, and they got back together, happier than ever before. Hi, we are Modern Love Potion, and in this video, I'm going to talk about a situation that a lot of people find themselves in after a breakup. What do you do if your ex moves on? Pay close attention to not miss anything important. Support us in helping 50,000 subscribers get their ex back. Subscribe to our channel and share this with somebody that might need it. If we helped you get your ex back or get over them, leave a comment below. When someone breaks up with you, it can be pretty painful. If they break up with you and move on fast, it can be devastating. You are not only suffering because you lost them and you feel rejected by them, but now, when they are with someone else, your ego hurts even more. Before you jump to any conclusions, first you need to understand the nature of your ex's new relationship. Is it a rebound with someone completely new? Or they met and became close even while you were dating? Is it someone they liked before you and finally got a chance to be with them? Did they leave you because of that person? If it's a rebound with someone new, you are probably wondering if they really love a new person they are dating. And the answer is no, they probably don't. They might be blinded by their new relationship now, but that doesn't mean they love this new person. In case your ex left you for someone else, you need to ask yourself, do you even want them back? You might think they were your soulmates and they were the one for you, but I can promise you they weren't, and you will soon see it. Because if they were truly the one for you, they would never leave you for another person. They would choose you and not someone else. I know it's painful and you are suffering, but I promise you it will get better. Regardless of the case, If your ex moved on with the person they just met after the breakup, or they left you for someone else, what you need to do is choose yourself. And you can do that with my no contact empowerment strategy. First of all, do not contact them. Do not contact your new partner, family, or friends. Do not tell stories about your breakup to people who know your ex. If you need support, talk to your friends and family. Reach out to a therapist and find support within the online community. But no matter what, do not contact them and try to separate them mentally as much as possible. Second, prioritize yourself. If you wanted to go on a diet, do it now. Make small steps towards your own improvement. Direct the negative feelings you have into something productive. Go out, run, walk, join the gym. It will get you out of the house and you will talk to people. Social interactions make us feel better. Join the hiking club. Do whatever you wanted to do, but never had time or determination to do it. Now is the time to choose yourself and prioritize yourself and your needs. Do not sit and wait for them to come back. Let us know in the comments below what helped you feel better after your ex moved on, and share your tips with the Modern Love Potion community. No contact empowerment strategy means that not only are you in no contact with your ex, but you are using all your spare time to work only on yourself. As I said before, there are two main things you need to do. The first one is, you should immediately go no contact with your ex and do not contact them in any case. And the second one is, you need to choose yourself and prioritize your needs. Even if they contact you first, you should respond politely, but only answer their question, and do not initiate any chat or ask them anything about their life now. I can promise you this system works, and it will either get your ex back or help you move on from them. I've seen it so many times, and I've seen it recently with my friend Mary. Getting your ex back or getting your life together after they moved on is possible, but you need to choose and prioritize yourself first. If you just broke up with your ex and don't know what to do, Modern Love Potion is here to help you. Click the next video on the screen now.